Good morning, class. In today's class, we'll be learning about letter writing. Now, what is the letter writing? First, we'll study 3 points: classification of letter writing, formal letters, and the features of a formal letters. Okay, informal letters I'll be explaining in the next class, but right now we'll be studying about the formal letter writing. Now, first of all, what is the classification of letters? Letters are one of the oldest forms of communication. They may be written in a formal or informal tone depending on the purpose. Depending on the purpose, the letters are basically written in two forms: the formal letters and informal letters. And it may be classified as, there is one more section of letters which is also known as social letters. Okay, and it is also social letters are also the note of invitations or something like that. Now, formal letters. Formal letters are the official letters written in formal tone. It could be business letter for making proposals or inquiries, placing orders, complaining, and about any product or responding to the complaints. Then official letters to principals of educational institution or to professional men seeking for giving information, expressing grievances, or responding to them. Letters to the editor or a newspaper expression opinion and to create public awareness. These are the few types of the formal letters. Okay, what are the features of writing a formal letter? Brief, clear, and point to point. In the formal letter, everything should be written in brief and it has to be point to point basically. For example, when writing a formal letter, make a direct start introducing the purpose of your letter. While writing the formal letter, we have to directly start with introducing or writing the purpose of our letter. Consider the following beginnings. I read with interest your article on the state of health facilities in India for an average Indian citizen, and in this context I would like to, and then we'll proceed towards the letter. The starting should be brief and the point should be clear. Next point to keep in mind while writing a formal letter is positive and polite language. While writing a formal letter, we have to use a very polite language and it should be positive too. Now, what does it mean? Even in a letter of complaint, simply state the problem along with any other relevant information and avoid threats or being offensive. While writing a complaint, also, if it is a formal letter, you need to be very polite in your words and you should avoid threatening someone or being offensive. Use modals like could, would, and should. We can use the words like could, would, and should as you have already studied in the verb modals. So these are some of the models that you can use. For example, I would appreciate if a replacement for a defective washing machine is made available without further delay. The person is complaining or the person is demanding for the replacement of the washing machine, but they are, what is the model used over here? The model would is used in this sentence. Then in the next example it's written, could the authorities wake up to situation before disease attains epidemic proportion? With deep regret, I wish to draw your attention to. These are some of the examples how you can use the polite and positive language. Now, politeness but not servility. The words that are used should be polite, but it should not be servile. Avoid expressions like begging the favor of, esteemed order, thanking you in anticipation. These expressions should not be used while writing a formal letter. The formal letter should be precise and factual statements should be written in the letters. Okay. Avoid any unnecessary details. Be focused and on the purpose of your letter and furnish only such information as would facilitate the identification and the action in case of a letter of complaint or inquiry. Okay. The letter should be very precise and only the factual statement should be used while writing a letter. Then, last but not the least, simple language and short sentence structure should be kept in the while writing a letter. Keep the expressions clear and precise. Use short, uncomplicated structures that do not distract the receiver and put things straight for the receiver. And while writing a formal letter, the only thing which is to be kept in the mind is We should be very precise, very clear. We should use the positive and polite words. The letter should be written in brief and it should be point to point. These are few of the statement should be factual, and very simple and short sentences should be used while writing a formal letter. These are few things that need to be kept in mind while writing the formal letter. Okay class, in the next class we'll be studying about the informal letters also, and today I am attaching the one or two formal letters that you have to write in your register and copy. Okay, you have to write these letters in your English language register or copy, whatever you have made. Thank you class.